Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons, and we've talked about interior LEDs before, but I've got something really cool to show you that might be a great idea on your boat. We've got coupon codes in the description of this video for pontoonstuff.com. Save you some money, help our channel, as well as other supporters of our channel. This customer had a special request. This is a fishing cruise restoration project. We're taking this old Manitou pontoon and making it into a fishing machine. Got a big front deck with some fishing seats and trolling motor, but we also want a really fun vibe on the inside for the cruising side. We've got our undersea LEDs. He likes to fish and cruise at night, so what's worse than needing to get some tackle or gear out of a seat and it's dark and you can't quite see inside of here because it's too dark to get at what you need? Well, let me show you what you can do here. With some quick wiring and the same LED kit that we had on under the seats, we can make that whole inside of the seat base glow. So anything you need, you can find right in there. I'm going to show you really quick how we went about wiring this up. That way you can do it on your own boat. We'll tidy these wires up a little bit more by pinning them to the seat base. But essentially all I've done is run a 38-inch LED strip up top here. And these sticky 3M strips actually stick really well because this is such a smooth plastic. So we don't have to add any screws like we do to the undersea LEDs. All I'm going to do is take that black and red wire that comes off the LED strip, and I'm going to join it with the black and red wire that's coming off of the LED strip from the smaller strip that I put in this lean back, because obviously we want that to glow too. I run them through the seat base, through the lean back seat. I drill the hole, I bring those two wires together, and I splice both reds and blacks together. Those will run back to the helm, to a fuse, or to the switch panel you can tie in there, and that gives me light. Any extra seats you want to add, like this front corner seat, we're going to wire this LED. It runs down through the floor through this seat base, and it's just going to connect in and piggyback to the LEDs that are in my lean back and bench seat on this side. For the other side, I can join those in together, usually at 16 or 18 gauge wire, depending how many leads you're running or how many LEDs you're running, all back to a 5 amp breaker or fuse, and that's how we tie them all together. And while I was setting this boat up, it's a fishing style boat. It does have a live well under this 38-inch bench seat. And I thought, you know, if you're fishing at night and you want to have easy access, see what's in your live well. We did the LED strip on the inside of the bench, just like the other side, but it glows through this plastic that's made for the live well kit from pontoonstuff.com. And then immediately I got the idea because, you know, if I'm out for an evening cruise and my lady wants a margarita, I might have one packed in this as a cooler. So maybe you don't even go fishing, but consider this kit a really cool add-on as a cooler. Throw some ice in there, throw your drinks in there. Doesn't have to be a margarita, it could be a Coca-Cola. Throw that in there, put the drain in, just omit the pump to fill it with water. And now you've got a really convenient place to put ice and drinks. And then in the evening, you've got this cool ambiance. That's gonna glow, the ice, the drinks, everything. I think that'd be a really cool add-on as a cooler on any pontoon boat that uses this 38-inch bench seat, and they also offer it in the 28-inch bench as well. Thank you for watching. I hope that this was a cool idea for you on your boat. It's the first time that we've done it, and I think the customer's really gonna like it. And remember, these LED kits, they're the under-seat LED kits, but they work just as well on the inside. They can be found at pontoonstuff.com.